The UPS plane crash. Here is what actually happened to UPS Airlines Flight 2976. In the afternoon of November 4th, 2025, UPS Flight 2976 was preparing for departure from the Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport. The MD-11 was 34 years old, but this was very common for cargo aircraft. The plane had 3 crew members on board. It was scheduled to fly from Louisville to Honolulu. At 5:13 p.m. local time, the airplane began accelerating along runway 17 right. But then suddenly, due to fatigue cracks in its pylon, what holds the engine in place, the airplane's left engine detached from a wing. This caused fuel to leak out of the wing, igniting it on fire and damaging critical controls. This was extremely similar to the American Airlines Flight 191DC-10 crash in Chicago in 1979, the deadliest non-9/11 U.S. plane crash in history to date. In that crash, the DC-10, so the older version of the MD-11's left engine pylon, also broke due to fatigue cracks and maintenance failures. 273 people were killed in that crash. After this crash, the NTSB enforced stricter pylon maintenance rules, which cargo airlines have forgotten about 46 years later. Without thrust in this important stage of flight, the airplane was unable to climb higher than 30 meters. The crippled jet began to lose altitude, with its landing gear slicing a hole into a roof of a warehouse. Due to the thrust imbalance, the plane then flipped and crashed into a petroleum recycling facility, killing all 3 crew members on board and 14 people on the ground. 23 more were injured, one of which died in the hospital on Christmas. The crash was caught on camera by many witnesses below. The airplane sliced a nearly 1 kilometer long path of destruction into the petroleum recycling facility below. As a result of this crash, all MD-11s in the U.S. were temporarily grounded by the FAA. This was the deadliest U.S. cargo plane crash in history. But it could have been much worse. If the plane had taken off towards the other direction, it would have crashed into a densely packed amusement park, killing hundreds of people.